How to sign out of Outlook on Mac. So first of all, once you're on the Outlook app on your MacBook device, go to the top left hand corner where you see Outlook. Go ahead and click on the Outlook section. Then you should see settings. You can either go directly there by using those keyboard prompts, or you can just directly click on the settings menu there. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll want to go ahead and click on the account section on Outlook preferences. Once you've clicked on there, you will see all of your accounts which should pop up that's on there. What you want to do is go ahead and click on the account you want to sign out of. So I'm going to click on this one here. You can't see it directly because I've covered my details, but then you want to click on the minus button at the bottom where it says sign out of selected account. Then you'll see the pop-up there where it's asking you to sign out. Go ahead and click on that sign out button. Then it should, after a few seconds, go ahead and sign out. Then you can go ahead and click on add email account if you want to add a different one. Or you can just kind of leave it as it is if you want to. Once you click add email account, you can go ahead and sign in from there. Leave a like on the video if that helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.